Who you think you're talking to? I spent time alone long before I knew you. These days looking like a dream since I've been on the road. Seeing shit I've never seen before, and still there's no place like home.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm back to do a review for the line Dr. Sturm. I have the products here with me. So I'm going to be doing a review on Dr. Sturm. She is actually a doctor, aesthetics doctor and non-invasive surgery doctor from Germany, and a lot of her work has to she did was through blood and anti-aging, and how all of that just connects within how our body can heal and just be at its best. So she took on her ventures to cosmetics, where now she's like the esthetician of life. Like, she does everyone's facials, especially I think a lot of the Victoria's Secrets models, she does their facials. She also gave Kim Kardashian the famous vampire facial picture that everybody's like, whoa, what's that? But it works. There's a crazy scientific reason why it works. I'm not going to go into detail right now, but then again, I digress. So today I will be talking about two products from her Darker Skintone line, and the brainchild and the reason why this line came about was through her collaboration with Angela Bassett. Angela Bassett, she came to her for help with her skin, and Angela Bassett was complaining of a lot of like hyperpigmentation, anti-inflammatory issues that she was dealing with. I didn't even know Angela Bassett had a bad skin day, but I guess she does. But she was basically just complaining about a lot of issues. So Dr. Sturm created this line to help with a lot of the different issues a lot of women of color go through, and that's when we talk about anti-inflammatory issues, hyperpigmentation, sebum control. That's a lot of things that women of color actually deal with when it comes to their skin. Sometimes we confuse oil and moisture together, so we're kind of in that weird thread where we don't know if the skin is too oily or it's moisturized, because it's kind of hard to tell. So she created products, and also we're also looking for products that can make our skin more radiant. We don't have to worry about radiance issues, and then the products that can slowly treat our hyperpigmentation without making our skin too sensitive under the sun. And that's also another big problem when it comes to women of color. So she has I think 4 products in this line, or 6, but I actually purchased 2 because these 2 really interested me. And one major ingredient in all her products is the Lumisol. She uses that in like all of her line in terms of like when it comes to Darker Skintone line. That's like the main store ingredient for radiance and etc. So I'm gonna start off by talking about the hyaluronic acid. So she has hyaluronic. I'm actually gonna put details on this product too right here. I don't know if it's on my left or right, but I'm gonna put details right here about this product. So she actually created this product. Her big thing she's known for is her hyaluronic acid. Although it's very expensive, she is known for her hyaluronic acid. A lot of people have raved about her hyaluronic acid, and that's why I wanted to give it a try. I haven't had the best of luck when it comes to hyaluronic acid, but I really like this product. This product has short and long chains in the product, and that's why I'm going to explain why that's very important, because basically I mentioned earlier, and I have to do this part as a voiceover, about short chain hyaluronic acid versus long chain hyaluronic acid. So the difference is that the short chain hyaluronic acid actually helps to give you immediate plumping, while the longer chain allows to give you long-term plumping or hydration, which is very good for someone who is dealing with barrier breakage, or they're slowly trying to repair their skin. I just wanted to put this as a side note and just go more in that discussion. Bye guys. That's why that's important. Continue with the video. This contains Lumisol, so it really helps with slowly brightening my skin slowly, not super quick like a lot of other products claim to do, but just the slow process of just slowly brightening your skin and helping to build that radiance back. I have seen a lot of improvement in my skin tone over the time of me using this product. My skin just doesn't look as dull as it used to anymore in the combination with other products, but I really like this product. If you're a woman of color that's willing to splurge when it comes to hyaluronic acid or skincare in general, I really would recommend this. It's her Darker Skintone, from her Darker Skintone line. Again, I should have already put like information details right over here. The next one I'm gonna talk about is her Darker Skintone cream. The only iffy thing I hate about this product is the packaging. I wish it came with a spatula, but those are minor things for me because I can always purchase spatulas and use it with this product. But this product does not come with a spatula, but I really like it because my skin, the feel of it is very, very nice. I don't want to dip my hand in it right now. The feel of it is very nice. This is not the rich version. She has a rich version which is more hydrating, and that would be probably for someone's night cream who is a lot more drier. But I wanted to be able to play around with this formula by like in wintertime adding more oil for extra boost of hydration, or in the summertime I don't need to add anything extra. So this is very moisturizing, doesn't feel greasy, doesn't clog my pores, which is very important. My skin doesn't feel reactive when I put it on because I do have very reactive skin that just feels like something is off. It doesn't contain any silicone, any alcohol, any fragrance, parabens, doesn't contain any of those ingredients in there. It's just a very good and just clean product. I really love the Retruvate, and I still would recommend it to those people that don't do anything extra to the routine because it does contain retinol palmitate, and for me, I'm a girl that plays with her acids, her retinols and everything, and that one is just too much. If I start mixing products together, my skin will become very confused. It doesn't know what to do. So this one is her serum. If you can't afford both, I would say get the serum, see how you love it, and I bet you're gonna be like, maybe just pick up one more item. But get the serum, the hyaluronic acid serum. I have not liked any hyaluronic acid, and this is pretty much the only one. If I do find a dupe for this product, I will let you know, and I'll try my best to put in my description box. But I know a lot of people had a doubt to see like, oh, this is just hyaluronic acid, why is it so much? But hyaluronic acid could run you a lot if you're using a high quantity of it at once, especially with the fact that this is her first ingredient, her hyaluronic acid, her first ingredient, her INCI list. That tells me there's a higher percentage of it. I don't think this contains any water, but I'm going to double check. I'll double check. So I really love this product. I would definitely repurchase this one. This one I really like too, but if you can't afford both, get this one for now and then see how your skin likes it and takes it. She also, for women who don't have darker skin tone, she also has a regular version of this. So I would really recommend you guys to go out there, but I really wanted to review the darker skin tone version because there's not enough reviews on the darker skin tone version. Only a couple places carry the darker skin tone version, which I do not like. It's annoying sometimes because it's like, how am I supposed to like the product? How am I supposed to test it out? And that's my biggest issue. If more stores carry it, maybe you can go in there and feel it and see how it, or get a sample, but that's the issue right now. I think over time, more stores are going to get the darker skin tone line, but that's pretty much it. That's the end of my review. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to subscribe. Ask me any questions, anything that you guys would like me to review. I'd rather spend the money so you guys don't have to spend the money yet. And have a great day, guys.
Package done. This a military thing like I come from Afghanistan. Dressed in camouflage. Before I turned 21, I was already savage dog. I tell it, yeah. Pull up in a foreign whip, foreign gal, I'm a passenger. Let him have it, dog. Call up my manager, make him pay for the damages. I hope you're listening. I'm a yard, all the gal, I'm a visiting. Snapchat, them my videos. I say, which guy left will be this year?